If your SEO agency is sending you reports but not clients, it's time for a wake-up call, and this video is for you. Today I want to talk about why law firm SEO often fails. And if you watch this entire video, you'll know exactly what you need to do to either avoid failing altogether or to be able to put your SEO back on track. So here's the ugly truth about law firm SEO. Your agency has been sending you detailed monthly reports, or your prospective agency is going to do that for you, showing you improvements in rankings, traffic, and other metrics. But there's a disconnect between these impressive looking reports and what actually matters: new clients signing up with your firm. This is a real story that we hear every single week from prospective clients. In fact, we literally just onboarded another client that invested over $100,000 over the course of 12 months with nothing to show for it. No phone calls, no return, and just incredibly frustrated. This leaves you asking whether SEO works at all. But the real question is, why isn't your SEO working? My name is Matthew Khorsandi, and I'm the founder of GLP Marketing, and we specialize in helping law firms scale their practices using advanced SEO strategies that deliver real, measurable results. And we focus on what really matters: converting search traffic into paying clients. In fact, I say it all the time, I don't care about rankings, I care about revenue directly attributable to our work. So first, let's start with why traditional SEO falls short. And there's really three key elements. One is a lack of clear data. Indisputable data showing growth in organic traffic, qualified leads, and revenue directly attributable to SEO campaigns. And this goes hand in hand with foundational elements, because part of those foundational elements need to ensure that we have data showcasing the revenue attributable to your SEO campaigns. But what happens is critical components are often overlooked: technical SEO, conversion rate optimization, content strategy, and attribution, tracking the cases that are coming from SEO. And lastly, and equally as important, most of these agencies don't really understand user behavior. They completely miss how legal clients actually search for select attorneys in today's digital environment. And the result is that most law firms pay for rankings and traffic that never convert to actual consultations or cases. Now, it's no secret that consumers are using AI search more and more often. ChatGPT is now handling over 1.5 billion searches every single month. Google's AI overviews are appearing above traditional search results. Perplexity is gaining traction for research-based queries. Claude and other AI assistants are responding to legal questions. Voice search is shifting towards conversational AI. And mobile users are preferring AI summarized content. So if your SEO agency ignores these platforms, you're missing where an increasing number of potential clients begin their legal journey. AI platforms don't show 10 blue links like Google. They show a single answer with limited sources. And if that answer isn't coming from you, you are invisible to potential clients. The reality is, optimizing for AI search engines is actually a lot like SEO, but it does have some nuances and requires different content structures, formats, and technical elements than traditional SEO to be seen as an authoritative source. So what I've put together are 10 critical questions to ask your existing SEO agency, or if you're considering hiring a new SEO agency, you should also be asking these 10 questions, and you should be looking out for very specific answers that show you can be confident in moving forward with your investment. Number one is, can you demonstrate search volume for my firm's services? Your provider should be able to clearly present estimated monthly search volume using trusted tools like SEMrush, Google's Keyword Planner, or Ahrefs. They should be able to identify targeted keywords, their relevance to your practice areas, and the specific pages they will either create or update so that you can rank for them. Number two is, who are my top ranking competitors and how are they monetizing their search traffic? Your agency should be able to present a detailed competitive analysis highlighting competitors' keyword strategies, estimated traffic volumes, and monetization methods such as lead capture, content strategies, or conversion strategies. This insight should directly influence your campaign strategy. Number three is, how will you track and measure the performance of our SEO campaign? What you want to see is clear, well-defined tracking metrics such as keyword rankings, organic traffic growth, call tracking data, form submissions, and directly attributable revenue. Confirm they're using reliable platforms like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, CallRail, or a robust customer relationship management system. Number 4 is what type of reporting will you receive on key performance indicators? These are KPIs. Reports should include transparent first-party data on impressions, clicks, phone calls, form submissions, and revenue attribution. You want to ensure access to a live reporting dashboard or regular comprehensive reports, ideally monthly. Number 5 is how much content creation versus updating will you perform on my website? Your provider should first audit your existing content to ensure optimal keyword targeting and identify opportunities for updates. They should clearly outline their plan, specifying the ratio of new content creation versus existing content updates, with ongoing documentation of enhancements and the results of their work. Number 6, what's your process for creating and publishing content that effectively ranks? Your agency should provide a thorough explanation of their data-driven approach to content writing, covering detailed keyword research, competitor analysis, content structure best practices, search engine optimized focused writing, internal linking, and promotional strategies. Number 7 is how will you ensure increased traffic that converts to leads and clients? And what you should be hearing from them is a clear strategy for conversion rate optimization, including A/B testing, optimizing calls to action, enhancing user experience, improving site speed, and employing analytics-driven adjustments to maximize visitor conversions. Number 8 is how will you use KPIs to continuously adjust and enhance our strategy? Your provider should be able to describe a systematic approach to regularly analyzing KPI data, identifying top performing pages, refining underperforming areas, and dynamically reallocating resources based on performance insights. Number 9 is who is responsible for ongoing strategic execution and what is their track record? You want to make sure that the lead strategist managing your campaign actually has experience, previous successful case studies, and ongoing involvement on your project. Ensure they've demonstrated results within your specific niche or industry before hiring them. And number 10, what timeline should we expect for results? Realistic timelines are so important. You should be able to see incremental improvements within your first 3 months, meaningful and measurable lead growth between months 3 and 9, and clear return on investment within 12 months. Clarify those benchmarks and checkpoints to regularly evaluate your progress. Now, if you thought this video was helpful and you're looking to dominate your SEO, you can go ahead and use the link below to get your free AI SEO assessment.